All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make not really, some quick ideas what you can use to make passive income in 2020. Okay. The first thing you want to do, if you don't have a blog, create a blog. You can go to blogger.com, you can go to Wix or some other platform. For a vlog, you can go to youtube.com. You can make a video on there. And then your end goal is what you want to do is you want to monetize that video. Okay. Uh, Again, if you look at the little flow chart right here, you got blogger.com, Wix. You can put it on your own domain, and your ultimate goal is you're trying to monetize it. Okay, you take that traffic, marry it with an offer or AdSense, and that's how you monetize it. Another quick one that you can do just for pumping gas is cash back at the pump. You go ahead, download the app, select the gas station, like in here. Down there, Exxon is paying $10 a gallon just to fill up the tank on this one. Right here, my mentor has $2,298 in his account. So the question is, how do you make it passive? YouTube, blog posts, or any other type of social media. I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm going to go into details further in my future videos. But again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.